Wow. Gotta get something off my chest. I don't know what to say, but I'm gonna say it. Good evening. Pardon me. Good afternoon, family. Still the afternoon. I'm sorry. Ooh, still. Excuse me. Let me go this. Let me do this again. Okay. Good afternoon. I'm sorry. Good afternoon, family. The red, black, and the green. Black power, black liberation forever. Yours truly, JT Blackness. I'm about to talk about different topics back and forth, but work with me here. We're going to see some connection of this. What we need to do, stop finding out what white supremacy doing to us and have a strategic plan for us Africans in this world to defend against it. We gotta stop being scholars to certain masses that already know, to let it trickle down to ones who don't know. Dealing with familiarity, it's not getting us nowhere. Being smart is not defeating white supremacy. Being smart had all these analogies about Africa, about what certain tribe that we want to be on, or what certain things that we need to learn, and it's not trickling down. It's not defeating white supremacy. It goes for the black man. It goes for the black woman. Yours truly, JT Blackman. Goes for me too. A lot of people, quite a few in the conscious community, has not trickled down their knowledge to the ones who do not know. I know. I'm in effect. Check out my channel. See how many views that I have on Thomas videos that I made. And I know I'm not the only one either. The proof is in the pudding. I ain't beefing. I ain't crying. But if we gonna lift each other, let's do it the right way. Don't come with no fucking bullshit to me. If I'm cursing, sorry, excuse me, but I got to let it know. The black man and the black woman had bigger channels than me. And the ones who be thinking that they bringing content, but you still want to knock the black man or to knock the black woman, you almost fall on the trap of white supremacy. When you start talking about alternative lifestyle, be careful. You think it's cool. You fall wired to white supremacy policies. Black man or black woman. Doesn't make a difference. If we're going to do it, we better do it right. There are codes that we need to follow. You cannot preach against white supremacy if you deal with white people. Black man or black woman. You cannot just talk about certain alternative lifestyles that you in goes for the black man, black woman, and you want to talk about white supremacy. And you know it didn't come from us. That's not in our DNA. Cut it out. And it goes to yours truly, JT Blackman 2. I don't know why some of us, we keep on following what the hell is going on out here in the media, what's got here in this world, and you know that they just trying to trick us to fall in their traps. That's it for me. I love you, family. The red, black, and green. Black power, black liberation. I love you again, family. But I got to get it off my chest. We got to get it right, including yours truly, JT Blackman. You know what this means. Let's get it right, including me. Love you, fam. Let's love each other. Wow. We got to get it right.